ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we interact with AI, and now the excitement is all about its next big leap, GPT-5. Imagine an AI so advanced it might possess superintelligence. How will this new model change our digital lives, and just how close are we to achieving artificial general intelligence? Well, let me break it down for you. Social media is on fire with rumors, especially after Meta's Llama 3 made waves, hinting at a new, larger model coming in July. But OpenAI dropped a series of images featuring the number 22, and guess what? April 22 happens to be the birthday of OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, who is turning 39. Coincidence? Maybe not. Since its introduction in November 2022, OpenAI's ChatGPT has been nothing short of revolutionary, changing the face of AI technology as we know it. This chatbot has won the hearts and minds of users all across the world, securing its position as the go-to AI for everything from casual discussions to complicated tasks. Powered by OpenAI's powerhouse GPT-4 model, ChatGPT has become the undisputed champion of the AI realm, reigning supreme in both popularity and practicality. Its success has even sparked fierce competition among tech giants, each trying to outdo the other in the race for AI supremacy. But in the middle of all the excitement surrounding ChatGPT, there has been one burning question on everyone's minds. What's next? This is where GPT-5 comes in, the highly anticipated successor to GPT-4 covered in mystery until now. Recently, CEO Sam Altman dropped some tantalizing hints about OpenAI's next big move. Altman didn't hold back, teasing that GPT-5 could be more than just another upgrade. It could possess what some are calling superintelligence. And in a bold move, Altman hinted at a potential partnership with Microsoft, aiming to secure funding for OpenAI's ambitious quest to create artificial general intelligence. We're talking about improvements in reasoning, coding, knowledge, and conversation. And from what we have gathered, GPT-5 is no exception to this rule. Word on the street is that it's been in the works since late last year. And believe it or not, it's packing a punch, with either way more than the 1.5 trillion parameters in GPT-4 or a similar number but with a beefed-up architecture. Translation? Expect some serious performance upgrades without the model size blowing up like a balloon. Think of Meta's Llama 3 70B. Despite being smaller in size compared to GPT 3.5, it's holding its own in the benchmarks. Now, GPT-5 might just become your jack-of-all-trades, ready to understand more than just text inputs. We're talking about images, videos, speech, code, you name it. Think of Google's Gemini 1.5 models as a benchmark. They can wrap their heads around all sorts of data from text to music and even spatial information, and GPT-5 is likely to follow, armed with a similar set of skills. But the big twist with GPT-5 is that it could shift from just being a chatty chatbot to something bigger, an agent. Imagine this, an AI not just answering your questions but actually getting stuff done. GPT-5 might step up its game, assigning tasks to different submodels or connecting with various services to take real-world actions. And hey, this isn't just some far-fetched dream, it's the direction the whole industry is heading in. Take, for instance, the Rabbit R1 AI device. It's empowering users to do more than just have a chat with the AI. You could ask it to handle your calls, book your flights, or create a spreadsheet from data it's gathered elsewhere. Now, don't get too excited just yet. While this level of AI development might not hit the scene this year, it's definitely the way things are headed in the AI world. As more and more smart devices and systems join forces, the potential for these AI agents to revolutionize our lives become clearer. But how different will GPT-5 really be? Well, one cool thing we might see, especially in ChatGPT, is OpenAI giving GPT-5 internet access right out of the box. This means no more worrying about outdated info. GPT-5 could stay up to date with the latest and greatest straight from the web. And with expanded multimodality on the horizon, chatting with GPT-5 could become as natural as having a conversation with a friend. And imagine ChatGPT evolving into a full-fledged smart assistant similar to Siri or Google Gemini. That's right, GPT-5 could be your go-to guru for all things information and assistance. But that's not all. See, currently, GPT models can only remember about 128,000 tokens of conversation. That's like storing the theme of your chat in its memory before it starts to forget what you said at the beginning. Now, compare that to models like Gemini Pro 1.5 with a context window of over 1 million tokens. Why does this matter? Well, when it comes to analyzing videos, having a larger context window is crucial. Think about it. Videos pack in way more data points than simple text or still images, so having that extra memory space is a necessity. One of the coolest trends in generative AI lately has been giving humanoid robots their own brain power. OpenAI has been diving headfirst into the world of robotics, teaming up with a startup called Figure. They've been using GPT-4 to power up their Figure 01 robot, and GPT-5 is likely to take things up a notch. We're talking spatial awareness, which means training these robots to understand how we humans navigate and interact with our world. But hold on, it's not just OpenAI in the game. NVIDIA has been developing some AI models of their own, and they're gearing up to make them widely available. Plus, keep an eye out for AI's 21's brainchild, Menti Robotics, led by Professor Amnon Shashua. They're on a mission to create Gen AI-powered robots that could be rolling into homes and workplaces as early as next year. Now, all of this is leading us to an important moment in tech history. According to Meta's chief AI brainiac, Yann LeCun, we're inching closer to a world where every aspect of our digital life gets filtered through the lens of AI. Agents and multimodality in GPT-5 mean these AI models can step in and handle tasks for us, while robots bring AI out of the digital realm and into the real world. But OpenAI isn't the only player in the game anymore. They're facing some stiff competition from the likes of Mistral and Meta. Not to mention heavy hitters like Anthropic with Claude and Google with Gemini. And let's not forget Microsoft. While they might be shifting gears away from their reliance on OpenAI, we've got a hunch we'll still see them making waves at Build 2024 in May. Before we get ahead of ourselves with GPT-5, here's another detail. We believe that OpenAI might release an immediate version first, such as GPT 4.5. Consider it an improved version with newer training data, a larger context window, and faster performance. Remember how GPT 3.5 shook things up? Yes, it will be the same but bigger and better. But hold on, because Altman's teasing some exciting stuff including Sora, a possible AI voice product dubbed Voice Engine, and who knows, maybe even a glimpse of that next-gen AI language model we've all been waiting for. The excitement surrounding the release of GPT-5 is obvious as OpenAI developers finish up this groundbreaking AI model. GPT-5 is currently undergoing thorough tuning, with each aspect of its performance being carefully evaluated. As for the big question, will ChatGPT-5 be ready by summer 2024? Well, according to the latest word from OpenAI, the target launch window for ChatGPT-5 is set for mid-2024, aiming around the summer season. However, keep in mind that this timeline is subject to change based on the outcomes of the final testing phases. And there you have it. Thanks for tuning in to learn all about the latest in AI and exciting developments coming your way. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things tech, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.